What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little different. A little bit there's no live commentary on this because if you can tell by my voice, I'm very sick at the moment. I have the flu. I got the flu over the weekend. And yeah, so I still took a decent trade this morning. So I'm going to just give you guys my analysis on that and what I was thinking at the moment right now. So both indices have traded lower. ES tapped into its 15-minute fair value gap, and it's also trading in a 1-minute fair value gap. Right there. At this point, since we broke that little swing high, like 3 candles to the left of where we're trading at right now on ES, I'm thinking that we already left. Like, we're not coming back, and we're going straight up. So ES trading below that 1-minute fair value gap I was planning on entering earlier, and NQ trading into a 5-minute fair value gap right now, currently in a bigger fair value gap as well. My bullish plan still isn't invalidated, but we could pop below that wick on that we made into the 15-minute fair value gap. And what I want to see though is some sort of reversal, some willingness to go higher. Now, I know we're trading ES, but if you pay attention to NQ, there's a tiny liquidity grab. And then at this point, I'm thinking we reverse. I'm just waiting for a strong body close above this area. And I just anticipated it and I got long. So like I said, we did close above. I anticipated it though, got in maybe a little prematurely. Could have waited on a smaller pullback like now, back into that volume imbalance, and NQ traded back into its fair value gap, so should go up from here. We traded back down. This would have been a bit nicer of an entry, filling that volume imbalance out finally, and then we move up from here. I went ahead and marked out the 5 handle mark of this trade. I was comfortable with taking profits, anything at that level, anything over that level, if it didn't hit my target, because it's the day before FOMC, so a lot of trickery. And I also moved my stop loss up to that swing low. And once we broke that swing high, I trailed my stop up, and now I'm only risking 1 point on this trade. If you take a look at NQ, we're coming down into this 5-minute fair value gap, which should be an inversion. I expected price to bounce from here, and it turns out we did. At this point, we're close to the 5 handle mark, so I moved my stop loss up in profit. I'm not going to lose any money on this trade at all. So ES reached the 5 handle mark, and I didn't take profit yet, but at this point, I'm wishing I did, but we still got this 1-minute fair value gap down here to support price. Also, well, that's honestly what I was really just looking at. And I did move my stop to that level right there. We break through that 5 handle level, and I'm ready to close at any time. I wanted to take that higher buy side liquidity with the opening gap or whatever, but I'm okay with taking any profit above this range. We traded underneath back to that 5 handle mark, so I moved my take profit to that last high, which was still a liquidity area of this morning, the high of this morning. And you know, the next profit target was only 1 point higher. That's $50. I'm not gonna risk losing more profit than that. And there it goes, right there. All right, and then 3 minutes later, hits my original target, blast through for about 2 points higher. But I wouldn't have caught any of that. My target was 94.25, just to be real with you guys. All right, so 600 on the day. I did take a break even trade earlier, so I don't even know if I actually showed that, but yeah, so 2 trades today, 1 break even, 1 win, $600 on the day. That's it for today's video, guys. It's the longest trade I've actually been in for a while, at least for that few points. Like 6 points I waited for over 40 minutes. But at the same time, once you put things into perspective, I traded for less than 3 hours today and I made $600. $600 for 3 hours of work in a single day. Anyways, before I go, I want to let you know Apex still running that 80% off discount, but Bulanox is running a 90% off discount right now. Use code REVENGE90. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, even though, you know, this isn't like the normal videos. And if you're new, go back and watch my old videos because they're much better than this, I think. Anyways, that's it. I'll see y'all in the next one.